Moving on further, we can have this code in more systematic and better way. So we will take this problem statement and try to do it in a different approach. So for example, initial equals to 100, years equals to 7, profit equals to 1.1. These are the three variables that we have used before as well. It is not necessary that you use it like this. You can instead of using these whole numbers, you can assign like instead of using these whole words, initial, year, profit, you can say I equals to 100, y equals to 7, profit equals to 1.1. But to make it more understandable, it is better to have clear variable declarations so that you can understand it in a better way, right? And now we can calculate total equals to 100 times 1.1 to the power 7 and print total. That's it. It will return you the same number as we had earlier, 194.87, right? Again, you can have a customized message here: total savings after 7 years, comma, total. So when you execute it, it will be like this. Clear? So this is how you can manipulate with the code. You can write simple code, you can calculate different values, you can store those values into the variables, and then you can print it. Then you can add some extra text in order to understand what is it all about. I hope this is clear. So see you in the next class. Till then, bye bye.